Hey, what's up? I know it's been a long overdue, but for the past 2 years, with life going on and stuff like that, I just want to say thank you to this other customizer for one artist to another. I really appreciate it, and I'm very thankful for you doing these shoes for me. And here's one pair for one side of the shoe. It does have my favorite team on there. It's the Cowboys. I know. What's your favorite team, right? So it does have my custom name, custom grind. It does have my logo on the other side, and I'm gonna give you a better preview of these as well. I want to say thank you so much. I'm gonna put your Instagram right here. If you want to send me something, or if you just want to tag me in something as well, let me know what you got. I just want to see your work. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna be wearing these soon, so you'll see them probably in one of my videos or in one of my pictures that I do. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let's get it.